vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own. A sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger, thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid.
Smash that like button for us one time for the one time. Let's go.
Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a night
What's going on, Ascending Bull, my brother? What is going on, man? Could I get a mic check? Could I get a mic check? 1, 2. Where are our usual subscribers? Well, you know, it's a midday Sunday stream, and you know, most of our subscribers are probably somewhere hungover. If I'm being totally honest, they're somewhere hungover right now. I'm not even joking. I'm not even playing. Listen, we got some stuff to talk about, y'all. Unexpectedly, Jump X and Fairdesk both shutting down permanently. November 30th. And if you know, I've been using these exchanges for some time now. But we're going to be looking into some other options and proposals from some other cryptocurrency trading exchanges. And as soon as I get that sorted out and figured out, I will, of course, let you guys know. Don't forget to smash that like button on the way in. Make sure that you get that thing done, man. Tap the hell out of it. Tap the hell out of it. We gotta move it down a notch. Somebody let me know. New partnership coming soon. Are you bullish? Are you bearish on the crypto market? What do you think is going to happen? When will the crypto market explode to new all-time highs? Will it be Q1 2025? Will it be after November of this year? Could it be possibly tomorrow? Or are we looking more towards Q2 of 2025? Let us know in the poll in the chat. Give me a second. I'm going to need a little bit more time before I can get started here. I'm going to need just a little bit more time before we get straight on into the action here. Let me know how the sound quality is. Should I turn the music down or not? I mean, some people like music on streams. Some people don't like music on streams. Me personally, I like music on streams. I like good vibes. Who doesn't like good vibes? But I'm open to suggestions, so please let me know, what do you guys think? If the music's too loud, I can gladly turn that down. If it's not too loud, we're going to blast it. We're going to blast it. Give me just a little bit more time, guys. I'm going to restart this timer one more time, let some people get in here, and we're going to get this stream started. We're going to go over some altcoins today. We're going to go over some of these top gainers. We got Chili's, Celestia, APT coin, Aave. We got a few coins here. We're going to look at the weekly gainers as well. Sui. Listen, I know that Sui has been getting a lot of attention, so we're going to look at it as well. And then, of course, I'll take some coin suggestions in the chat. Whatever altcoins you guys are looking at, I want to look at them too. So, with that being said, don't forget to pump the likes on the way in. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, if you're new to the community, hit that subscribe button and join us on our cryptocurrency journey. Even though we've been in crypto for a long time now, it's actually just getting started. It's just getting started for a lot of people. And we are ready. Let's go.
Shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Moonman 81, bro. Moonman in the house. What's going on, my dude? I appreciate you still being around, man. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well.
You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
All right, let's go. We are about to get it started here. Thanks for joining us today on this beautiful Sunday. We are about to get it started in just a moment.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going.
All right. Working on the audio here, seeing if I can't get this thing worked out to where it sounds better. We're just messing with some things, doing a little tweaking a few things right here real quick. Let's see. Just trying to tweak a little bit here. Just trying to see if I can get this to sound a little bit more crisp here. But I'm not sure. You guys gonna have to let me know how it sounds.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest.
But hopefully this sounds a little better. I'm hoping that this works out good. We will find out here in just a moment.
Give up till I'm on top, yeah. changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving.
All right, mic check. Could I get a mic check, please, in the chat one time? Could I get a mic check? Anybody? Could I get a mic check one time?
Changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
All right, man. All right. Let's get this thing started. Who's ready? Anybody? Anybody in here, man? Where you at? Where the hell you at? Where the hell is you at? Come on now. Oh, this is that jam right here. This is one more. This is a good jam to start the stream with. Let's go. Let's go. I'm about to take this shot on stream, bro. I'm about to take this shot on stream. It's midday, but we're gonna take a kava shot. a kava root, whatever is in this mess. We're about to take it on stream right now. New all-time highs for crypto incoming. We're going to talk about it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I think maybe I finally got the audio situated to where it sounds a little bit better. I hope. We're going to find out. You guys can let me know in the chat what you think. If it sounds terrible, please let me know. If it sounds absolutely horrible, please let me know, and I'll do something about it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the stream, and thank you for joining us today on this beautiful Sunday, taking a look at the current state of the crypto market. So, with that being said, welcome back. To those of you that are not new, to those of you that are new, hit that subscribe button one time for the one time. If you love crypto, you're in the right place. This is the place to be. In case you didn't know. By the way, we have a big announcement this morning. There is a major announcement right now related to a couple of partnerships that I've had here on the channel. So, before we do that, we're going to get our day started here with a little kava root. I don't know, to be honest, I've not even done my research. Maybe I should before drinking some random shit, right? Maybe I should do my research into it before just taking a big old gulp of some kava root. But hey, it says feel free. I'm trying to feel free, baby. You know? Like, oh, this is the jam. Oh, this is the jam. I gotta turn it up on my end because it don't really, okay. It's been a while, Moon Man. It's been a while, Moon Man, but we still here and we still rocking and we ready to get this next bull cycle on the way. All right. Now, look, I finally got the audio situated and a good song comes on and I gotta turn it up. Look, and I'm gonna mess it up. It's okay. We like good music around here. We like good music on our streams. That's right. We sure do. So let me see if this helps things out here a little bit. We're gonna find out. And then we're gonna talk about Bitcoin real quick. And then we're gonna jump into altcoins. We're just gonna dive straight into the altcoins today. Because I haven't spent a lot of time with altcoins lately. My past couple of streams, I've been doing mostly just some trading. So instead of doing trading today, we're going to talk about some altcoins. We're going to do some analysis because, like I said, major announcement. Unfortunately, the two crypto exchanges I've been partnered with recently have shut down. They plan to permanently shut down November 30th. And that is very sad. I am very upset. I'll be honest, because I really liked those exchanges. I really enjoyed using them. But unfortunately, they will be shutting down permanently November 30th. So, JumpX. So, guys, JumpX and Fairdesk both will be shutting down November 30th. I am a little bit saddened by this. I am, as I'm a little bit saddened by this because I really enjoyed using these two exchanges. I had a lot of really good luck with these two exchanges as far as trading and promoting them, actually. So if you look in the description of this live stream, you can see that I do have a little space there where it shows that we will have a new exchange partnership coming soon. I've gotten a few different offers, and I'm waiting and deciding on what I'm going to do. Am I going to take on a couple, 2 or 3 different exchange partnerships? Am I going to just try to stick with one at a time? I'm not really for sure yet what I'm going to do, but whatever I do, best believe there's going to be some lucrative sign-up bonuses for my followers and subscribers to take full advantage of if you enjoy trading crypto. So, unfortunately though, JumpX is closing. They plan to permanently be shut down, I believe, by November 30th. Futures and spots positions will be closed on October 17th. So if you have been using this exchange, just please remember that the withdrawal function will be retained until November 30th. So you will be able to withdraw your funds up until November 30th on JumpX and Fairdesk both. And, like I said, I really hate it. I really am upset because I hope that this team will maybe create another platform, because the user interface of JumpX and Fairdesk both just superb. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was superb. Like, I loved trading on JumpX, and you guys know I love trading on it because I was on it on live. Ignore this up above me right here for now. Eventually I'll have a new partnership with a new exchange, and we'll be promoting it up here. As of right now, we are just kind of, we got to go with the flow. And as of right now, this is what's happening. So they will be shutting down, unfortunately. But that's okay. We will work with whatever exchange decides to give us an opportunity here. And I do have a few. I've got BitGet, BTCC, and we got a couple more that have sent me some offers. So we'll be reviewing that, thinking about that, and deciding on what we're going to do going forward. But as of right now, we are going to, let's see, maybe I should. As of right now, we're going to jump straight on into the charts. Okay? We're going to jump straight into the chart. Alright, so before we do this, we're going to take this little kava root drink and see what it does to me. Maybe I won't fall out on stream. We'll find out. Very sad. And I do still have, I do still have some, maybe we might do something here with this. We got, listen, so we've only got, the futures and spot trading feature will end on the 17th, so we've only got a little bit of time here. You know what? Screw it, bro. Screw it. You know what we're going to do? We're going to take full advantage of this. Unfortunately, they're closing, but withdrawal feature will be retained until the 30th of November, so cheers, bro. We're gonna get it in, but we do need to look at some altcoins. We need to take a look at Bitcoin, see what the price of Bitcoin's doing this morning. I have a lot of confidence really right now in this 60K level support for Bitcoin. It seems to be holding very nicely. We're going to talk about that here in just a moment as well. It does seem to be holding very nicely. I did make a post on X about the closure of these exchanges. If you want to come over here and follow me, help me get to 1,000 followers on X, and then we're going to see if we can't get verified once again. If you're new to the channel, then you might not know, but we've been through some things, y'all. We've been through some things. And you know what, guys? I found out. I found out for sure, no doubts, why the channel got demonetized and why YouTube cracked down so hard on us last year. I found out. I'm not going to preach about it. I'm not going to talk about it too much. I'm not even going to say it, but I'm just going to say one thing, guys. One thing, guys. Be careful with women, okay? That's all I'm going to say. I'm going to say that, and I'm going to leave it at that. Because I found out exactly why our channel got demonetized. I found out exactly why YouTube started cracking down on us with stuff last year. I found out exactly why. And so I'm going to say that. I'm going to leave it at that. But, yeah, if you could, guys, if you're watching this stream later on and you want to help a brother out, because, listen, I want to say it. I want to just straight up come on and just say it. But who knows? If I do that, then I just can't even. I don't even want to talk about it. Because if I talk about it, chances are there's going to be more retaliation against me. So you know what? I'm just going to leave it at that. I found out why we got demonetized. We're working on getting remonetized by the spring. I think that we can do it. I think we can get remonetized, get our super chats back by the spring. And also, I just wanted to say that with these exchanges closing on us, as soon as I have some affiliate links with some hefty bonuses and perks for using my link, as soon as I have that situated, I will let you guys know, and so that you guys can take advantage of that. As of right now, we have until the 17th of October to utilize JumpX and Fairdesk. So if you did sign up with Fairdesk using my link, make sure that you get your funds withdrawn. You need to withdraw your funds before November 30th, okay? If you signed up using my links for Fairdesk or JumpX, you need to withdraw your funds from these two exchanges before November 30th, because they will be shutting down permanently and you will no longer be able to withdraw your funds after that. So please, if you did use my links, make sure you get your funds off of these exchanges before November 30th. And I hate it, but it is what it is. Unfortunately, I guess they did not reach the expectations that their investors had. The ones that really invested in the startup of these exchanges, I guess they did not reach those expectations needed to keep running the exchanges. So they're shutting them down, and you won't be able to withdraw anything after November 30th. So make sure you get your funds off of here before November 30th. But with that being said, we still have these options. Up until then, you have the option to use the exchange. You can only trade up until, I think it's the 17th. So it's the 13th now. So we got 4 days. We got 4 days to utilize these exchange features on these exchanges, and then after that, it's done. So if you want to be risky, you want to get on here and risk it all, like we're about to do, then let's do it. But you've only got till the 17th to do it, and you've only got till November 30th to get your funds off. So you got till the 17th of October to make some money, and then you got till the 30th of November to get the money off the exchanges before they shut down completely. What's going on, Barnum? Welcome to the stream, bro. I appreciate you dropping that comment in the chat as always. I appreciate anybody that engages with the stream. It's beautiful. It helps the algorithm. It helps us grow, and I thank you very much, Barnum. What's going on, man? How are you doing today? And welcome to the channel. Welcome to the community. Guys, we've been around for a while, but we're slowly but surely trying to rebuild the community here and the channel here. As I said earlier, I did find out why we got a little bit crushed on last year, but that's okay, because we're going to bounce back even better. We're going to bounce back even harder. I mean, you can't keep this guy down, okay? You can't keep this guy down. And also, guys, for those of you that were invested in my token, for those of you that were a huge supporters of my crypto project that I created a couple years back, during the last bear market cycle. Actually, we created our token during the last bear market, really. We didn't create it during the bull cycle. We created AJC token during the bear market. So I do want to say this. So the website itself is actually back up and running. Okay. And I do have ideas in mind of what we're going to do going forward. Okay, do not think for 1 second that I have just given up on you guys that have supported us and supported the community and supported our project back in the day so well. I have not given up on you guys. We are going to move forward from here. And the thing is, guys, for those of you that actually still hold AJC token, this coin is still alive. Okay, it's not completely dead. To be honest, it's actually, when you think about it, it's really not. So we're gonna keep this thing alive potentially. I've been kind of having mixed emotions about what I should do going forward. If I should try to create a new coin, or if we should just wait things out, and when the time's right, maybe, just maybe, we can still push AJC now. And it would be even better now that I am completely out of it. You know, I'm completely out of it as far as holding a large amount of coins, right? I'm completely out of it, and I think that you know, there is still the possibility here. There's still 97 million coins in circulating supply. Okay, I mean, really, you know, really, it's still, there's still the possibility for this thing to still do something spectacular. Okay, just, it's, in my opinion, AJC token is not completely dead yet. Okay, in my opinion, we are not done with this. We have options, right? I know you guys seen in Discord where I had talked about possibilities of creating a new meme coin, something different, something more, just something different. But as of right now, it's all kind of up in the air. But the website is back up live. I will be working on the website going forward to incorporate more things related to our community and the channel and all of this. And I think that's going to be a very big deal going forward. I'd also, like I said, I don't think that AJC is just totally done yet. I think that if you're still holding AJC tokens, there's still the possibility for this thing to still have potential. Okay, it all will depend on us, the community, and the holders, and what we decide to do going forward. Again, we may create a new coin, a new project that will have some type of benefit and reward for those that supported AJC token. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we created our own token during the last bull cycle, our own community driven meme coin, and it was called AJC token, Average Joe Crypto token. And we ran this baby to a 17K market cap. Unfortunately, it was an experimental project. There was really no guarantee what would happen going forward. And after a couple of years of promoting this and everything, and seeing that it just wasn't really beneficial at the time to keep going, I had some issues and needed to kind of get myself away from this project, as the partner that I had with it had also kind of dipped out on us. So we're just reassessing everything basically, and we're going to reassess going forward what we should do as far as a way to make sure that all of those supporters of this project get rewarded in some way or another in the end. And I know a few of them, I still have a way to contact them through Discord and everything. So I think that going forward, things will be okay. We just have to reassess, and and that's okay. Like I said, I don't think it's done for yet. I really don't think it's done for yet. I appreciate you guys hitting the like button, those of you that have hit it. Again, I don't think that we're done yet. We are not done here. We ran this thing pretty high. I mean, we ran it up. We tore off a couple zeros there. I think that we still have potential here. It has not. The good thing is, there's a floor price on this thing because of the tokens that we burned, and because of the tokens that are held and locked up, and liquidity that's locked, right? I mean, you can see there's a lot of liquidity still locked up, and a lot of that is from either holders or myself that locked up liquidity. So again, I don't think that we're done here. Obviously you can see that it's, I just really don't think we're done here, guys. We'll see what we decide to do going forward. Green Fingers, my man, welcome in. I appreciate you, bro, very much. thank you for joining us. As always, good to see you, brother. So I've just been talking about, our potential here going forward. I am fully dedicated in one way or another, eventually finding out some way to reward those of you that supported me so well in creating this token. Even though it was just an experimental project, I understand the importance of making sure that I don't just completely disappear on you guys. This was not a pump and dump. It was never meant to be a pump and dump, and I didn't pump and dump, because had I done that, I would have sold the top. I didn't. I waited it out as long as I possibly could until it made no more sense for me to continue. I was going through it. I had no choice. In my opinion, I had no choice. I had to do what I had to do. Not to mention, I think that going forward, we can do better next time with creating a coin like this. Although I will say we did very good. I think we had a good run, y'all. And I think that we can do better going forward. I think we can either do better with rebuilding the AJC token community or even creating a new community. So that's my thoughts on it. You guys can let me know in Discord or whatever. I'm going to start trying to be more active in Discord again as well going forward. I apologize for not being active on YouTube the past week. It's been fall break. I've had my daughter here full time for the past week, so it's been it's been a little busy around my house. I've not really been able to do much because when you have a 5-year-old, especially a 5-year-old girl, they keep you busy. Where my single dads at? Where my single dads at out there? Drop a comment in the chat if you're also a single dad, or even if you're just a dad in general. It keeps you busy. But I still like the idea with AJC token, and I still think that maybe going forward we might figure out some way to pump this thing back and to really do something with it. You know what I mean? So that's where we're at. That's where we're at with that. AJC token still not dead completely. We just had a major pump. We've retraced and dumped down after the news of TJ kind of getting himself out of the project. But is it really dead? Greenfingers has a 2 and 6-year-old, so you stay busy. You stay very busy. I'm sure you stay very busy. Is it really dead though? I don't think so. I don't think it's really dead, y'all. I think there's still potential here. If you're still holding any AJC tokens, I honestly don't think that you should get rid of them just yet. I mean, I think there's still potential in the future for this if we just hang tight and have some patience with it, right? So unfortunately, unfortunately, JumpX and Fairdesk shutting down is kind of, it's some unfortunate news to learn about this. And, going forward, I'm going to see what we can do as far as new partnerships with new exchanges. But we'll just have to see how that goes. But let's get into it. Speaking of, while we're at it, we might as well just jump on in here to see what we're doing here. Greenfingers, so it looks like that so it looks like with the development of the times and policy changes, we decided to permanently shut down the website on November 30th. I believe that it has something to do with the profits and things like that of the exchange not meeting the expectations of the original investors into these exchanges. So the ones that put in the money to get these things started up unfortunately did not get what they were expecting in return, and so I'm assuming these investors have pulled out of funding these exchanges, which has led to them wanting to close down. Also, policy changes. I honestly, when I first found out about JumpX, to be honest, I was really unsure of how this exchange was going to keep operating with over 1,000x leverage. You know, especially in the U.S. with no KYC, no VPN. I didn't really expect it to. You know, I was hopeful, but when you have that much leverage, you have no KYC needed, no VPN needed. I mean, you know how the U.S. is when it comes to this. You know how the United States is when it comes to this kind of thing. They're not gonna sit by and let this last for too long. So I'm glad that we got to take advantage of it while we could. Honestly, it's very fun. I think that, you know, some people think it's crazy. I think having over 1,000x leverage can be fun. If you're like me and you like to gamble and you can afford to, you know, if you have some that you can afford to gamble with, you can hit big. You could lose big, but you can hit big, and I think that's huge. But I do think it's something to do with policies in the Western world, and also which it can't be all just policy changes, because, you know, they could still stay open in other countries. But I think that what it is the big thing is that the original investors that funded the startup of these exchanges were not happy with the returns. I think that they didn't meet the expectations that they were expecting, and therefore they're having to close down. But it's okay. We have other options. I do know of a couple of exchanges that have reached out. Actually, with the news of these exchanges shutting down, I've had multiple exchanges reach out to me just within the past week after finding out about this. So we'll see what happens and who we go to next. But I will miss these exchanges very much, because I really enjoyed using JumpX and Fairdesk. I enjoyed using them both. I mean, I really did. So we're going to get on with this. We're going to jump into some trading and some technical analysis. We'll see if we can't get some price predictions on some of your favorite altcoins coming up. So if you do have some favorite altcoins, please let me know what they are, and we will take a look at them. I also just kind of want to go over the weekly gainers, the 24-hour gainers out of the top 100. We'll see what's trending, possibly, and go from there. But right now, we're going to go ahead and try some of this right here. Okay? Can you guys still hear the music? I'm just wondering. Can you guys still hear the music?
I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
I'm wondering if I should All right. Anybody ever tried some of this? Anybody ever tried a feel-free shot before? I don't know, man. Here we go. We're going to try it, though. We're going to try it. Are y'all ready? Are you ready? We're about to down this thing. I don't know what it's going to do to me. I don't know what kind of effect it's going to have on me, but we're about to find out. So I hope you guys are ready. Bro, I'll tell you what. You know what? You know what I need? I need a new camera, and I need a new microphone. I think that those two things would greatly improve the quality of the streams. But let's do it. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh.
make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top?
Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. That tasted terrible. That tasted absolutely terrible. Phew. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Feel free. I'm not feeling too free just yet, but you know, it is what it is. And that tasted absolutely like total ass. That tasted like ass, bro. Woo! That tasted rough. Man, okay. All right. Let's get into it, man. Oh my. Yeah, that tasted rough. Can't deny that. That tasted like total doo-doo. Total doo-doo. Alright, man. So, let's get into it. What are we doing here? Alright. What are we doing here, guys? What are we doing? What exactly are we doing? You know what? Bitcoin right now, I'll be honest with you. It's ranging, bro. We got a little ranging going on, and honestly, it's not bad. It's not bad. Like, this is not bad at all. We held support at 60,000, bro. Well, I mean, we wicked down and touched 58, but we held support. We held this support right here. Look, right? We held this support, bro. Double bottom action, bro. And then if we look at the 4 hour right now for Bitcoin, what are we doing right now in the 4 hour? Look. We still ranging. Honestly. You know, I mean, we are still ranging right here. Holding this 60k support is huge, right? It's huge, honestly. We're just trying to get past this. We got this downwards trend resistance that we're just trying to break through. We did wick up. We wick it, bro. We wicked it. We got slammed back down a little bit here on the 4 hour candle. We are below the LSMA. We could potentially go lower. You know, do we need a triple bottom? Do we need to come test 60,000 again? We're at 62.4 now. It's a possibility, but we're just looking. We're just looking. We're in the speculation station, right? Hold tight. Popcat. What is that, a coin, bro? Listen, y'all gotta fill me in, okay? I've been out of the loop for just a little bit. Y'all gotta fill me in. What is Popcat? You know, Bitcoin, like I said, ranging, holding 60k support. Bitcoin price needs to hold 60k support, and in my opinion, you know, if we do not hold it, then we're gonna dip down into these lower levels of support that we've tested in the past. But let's move on to altcoins. Let's move on to alts. So, what is Popcat? I gotta find out what this is. What is Popcat? What is Popcat? By the way, how does my vocals sound right now? I've been tweaking some stuff, but honestly, I think it's just my microphone. I think that until I get a new microphone, like, I've bought like 4 different microphones. I gotta really just buckle down and just buy an expensive microphone when I can. But honestly, I was watching some of my old videos from like 2 years ago. Man, I'm telling you what, bro. I'm telling you what. I've got some work to do, y'all. I got some major work to do as far as getting the quality back to the level that it was at, you know, in the past, right? Like, I got some work to do, y'all. But I'm on it. I'm on it. Best believe I'm on it. But is this it right here? Green Fingers, Popcat? Best believe I'm on it. Is this it right here? Hey, I feel that copper root. We got the kava root running through the blood right now. We got the kava root pumping the bloodstream. Is this it? Popcat on Solana? Or we got ERC as well? Which one are we going to look at? I'm drinking some cold, really strong ass black coffee. But I mean, it is what it is, you know. S&D? Wait, what? What? Hold up. What you mean, man? S&D. Man, also, if you happen to be an affiliate with an exchange and you're looking for a YouTube channel to partner with, yeah, definitely check the link in the description. I do have an email that you can send with any proposals. Since JumpX and Fairdesk shutting down, we are looking to venture out and see what's up. I do got some offers I'm probably going to jump on though, but I'm willing to look at any other offers. I'm assuming that you mean Sol. I'm assuming that S&D, I'm assuming you meant Solana. Maybe. I could be wrong. So Popcat. Right here? Oh my. Popcat. Pop Kitty. Pop Kitty Kitty. Alright, so look. We coming down, baby. We coming down. Popcat on the retrace. Sound is okay. Oh, got you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Good deal. So the sound is good. Alright. That makes me feel a lot better. Because honestly, I'm not sure. Like I said, I've been out of the loop for a little bit, so I'm trying to get everything tweaked back to where it needs to be. Also, I'm going to get a green screen, bro. I miss my green screen. I'm not going to lie. I really miss having a green screen. I mean, I don't like the fact that you guys are staring at, you know, whatever might be behind me. So, yeah, I miss the green screen big time. So, Popcat, $1.30 looks good. Honestly, $1.30 looking good right there for this retrace. I don't see any reason why it won't come on down to that and test that first. I don't think that we're just going to start flying to the moon right here at $1.40, $1.38. I think for Popcat, it looks more like we want to come down and test our indicator, which lines up right at $1.30. And if you look, that's also going to line up with, look at this wick over here. Okay, look at that resistance right there. Look at that. So if you look at not only this resistance, but also where you broke down here to the downside, and then you broke above it here, retracement time back down to test that $1.30 price. So I think for Popcat, $1.30 on the retrace right now looks good for a bounce. I think we should get a bounce at $1.30. Now, does that mean that it's over with? I mean, you do kind of have a little bit of top looking action trying to take place. And how far has this thing really moved? I mean, it's looking good. It's on a nice uptrend. It's on a very beautiful uptrend. Honestly, a very nice uptrend. So if the $1.30 support doesn't hold, you know, it's possible we come down and test our uptrend, and that's going to be at about $1.15 or so. Looks like about $1.15. Let me go ahead and see where we line up with the previous price action for Popcat. Looks like a good idea to test this back here. You know, that's coming in right there above $1, $1.05 or so, but I still think the uptrend is our first go-to. You're going to want to go to that first for support, right? You're going to want to look at that first, $1.15. So $1.30, $1.15, $1.05. It's nice how that's kind of, I love how that's, I don't know, that just really soothes my ADHD right there, you know? It really does. When we think about how how perfectly that lines up for Popcat. So Popcat on the retrace, you know, on the 4 hour. Let's look at the hourly real quick though. We might try to bounce. We might try to bounce off of this indicator, but typically once you get inside of the gray or purple, I think I have it set to purple. Once you get inside of this area on this indicator, it's typically down from there. You're going to typically see the price action go below the indicator. Good example of that is right here. You know, you got into the body of the indicator and you didn't hold the support, so you fell below it. And then once you got below it, it was down from there until it flips back bullish and you get back above it. So right now we are looking like a bearish retrace. Bearish consolidation to the downside there is what it's looking like for Popcat as of right now. I wouldn't be very bullish on it right now. Now we are getting close to the start of a new week here. That could have an effect on things, absolutely. Absolutely. Sorry about that. On to the next one. When will the altcoins explode? Also, guys, looking into some possible collaborations coming soon. Let's see. All right, so let's see. Green Fingers, I'm gonna try to go live tonight as well. And then I should be live through the week. All right, so yeah, I will be working on going live tonight as well, most likely. We'll see what we do. Yeah, for sure. So let's take a look. All right, so Sui, is that what it is? Sui. we let's take a look at Sui. Absolutely, for you green fingers, anything, bro. Anything, bro. Listen, for my A1 since day one, anything. So Nero, Neiro, Nero. Let's just go with the first one. We got the USDT Binance chart. You know, can't go wrong with that, right? Oh my goodness, what the hell is happening? Okay, so, wow, I'll be honest, this looks freaking beautiful. That's a damn good looking 1 hour chart. If I'm just being honest, for Nero token, that is a damn good looking 1 hour chart. Let me get into it for you 1 second. One second. Okay, so, you know, just looking at this, just first glance, it looks beautiful. So if we look at it on the hourly, first glance, it looks beautiful. So like, downtrend, I'm going to tell you right now. All right, if it holds here, I'm going to tell you right now, if it holds this and we break out of that, because I'm just saying, I mean, we got a couple of targets we can put in, right? Wrong chart. What you mean, wrong chart? What? What chart? What? What chart are you looking at, Green Fingers? Are you looking at? Maybe you're looking at something different. Big Get? Bro, what the hell? Hold on, are these different coins or what is happening here? Because look at this chart. This chart says the price is 12 cents, bro. That's a big jump from 0.004. What is happening, bro? Hold on. Hold on. Let's go to KuCoin. Let's look at KuCoin's price. Okay, KuCoin also shows 12 cents. What's going on here, bro? Hold on. Let's try Bybit. Bybit also 12. What is really going on? What is happening? Hold on. Are these the same coins or just different coins with the same name? What is happening, y'all? Bro, what's going on? Green Fingers, what chart are you on? Because I'm confused. I'll be honest. If I'm being honest right now, I'm really confused. Either these are just totally different coins with the same name, or there's something really crazy going on right now. Because I'm telling you right now, you tell me right now that I can go over on. Listen, if I can go over on, if I can go to Binance right now, buy this coin for 0.002, and then send it over to KuCoin, right? And arbitrage the hell out of this thing and sell this mother for 12 cents? Bro. Listen, Green Fingers, we need to find this out, because you could seriously get some money off of this. Listen, if KuCoin is showing this thing at 12 cents, they are spelt the exact Neiro. Neiro. Bro, what the hell? They've got to be different coins, bro. You're on MEXC? Okay. Bro, but still, even MEXC compared to the Binance is, that's a big jump, right? 0.004 to 0.008 is a decent jump. 1 second, y'all. Hey, baby. What are you doing? Eating a Reese's in Mimi's car.
Yeah.
Well, what are you doing right now? Are you still at Mimi's? Are you still at Mimi's?
We're on the way to the house.
Oh, you're just now on the way to your Mimi's?
No, in Mimi's car though, because we just went to the store.
Oh, okay. Well, if you're just now on the way to Mimi's from the store and you're going to be there for a little longer, I might be able to come by and see you. I'm just a little bit busy at the moment, but I'm almost done. But
Dad,
yes,
I love you.
I love you too, whole bunches.
My mom is driving.
Yeah? Well, that's good.
The car's not overheating. My mom's car's not overheating anymore.
Well, that's very good. I'm glad that it's not.
I hope it doesn't at all.
Yeah, maybe it won't. Maybe it's fixed. Maybe as long as she keeps some of that coolant stuff in there, as long as she keeps some of that antifreeze in there, it should be okay.
Okay.
Yep. Maybe, and then maybe TJ can work on it when he comes back. But yeah, if you're gonna be at your Mimi's for a little while longer, maybe I'll be able to come by and see you.
What?
I said maybe I'll be able to still have time to come see you if you're gonna be at your Mimi's for a little longer.
On my car message, so I said again.
Okay.
Say that again.
I said if you're gonna be at your Mimi's for a little while longer, maybe I'll still have a chance to come by.
Oh,
Do you know? Did y'all just have to go to the store?
okay.
Did y'all just have to go to the store?
I can't hear you.
Did y'all just have to go to the store? Can you still not hear me?
What?
I said, are you back? Are y'all just coming back from the store?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, if you give me a little bit of time, if you're still going to be there, I'll find out, and I might still be able to come by. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
You're a silly poopy head.
You're pooping head.
I love you, whole bunches.
I love you, Robert.
I'll talk to you soon. Okay.
Okay,
I love you. Are you going to hang up, or you want me to hang up?
I'll hang up.
Okay, you hang up. I love you, whole bunches. Talk to you later.
Can I go ahead and hang up?
Yep, go ahead. I love you. I thought you were hanging up.
I accidentally hanged up on you when you said bye.
That's okay. I love you. I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I try. Thank you. Thank you. I try. Thank you. Thank you. I try.
All right, sorry about that, guys. I'm going to do my best to try to I'm going to do my best to try to get over there and see her before she leaves her memes. But yeah, anyways. If not, it'll be okay. I've had her all week for fall break, so it's been nice. And again, like I said, I will be going live. I'm going to go live tonight. Okay. Our nighttime streams seem to be a little more crazy and a little more fun. You know what I mean? So I'm looking forward to that. I'm definitely looking forward to the nighttime streams because they just seem to be a little more, I don't know, action-packed, right? So, so Greenfingers, you think that this would be the right chart then? Because these have got to be different coins, bro. There's no way that one Nero chart is 0.004 and another Nero chart is 12 cents. There's no way, bro. If that's the case, then people are making hella money just by buying on one and selling on the other, right? Arbitrage the hell out of it. There's no way. It's this... but you know, even the difference between the Binance is pretty wild. 002 compared to 004 is big deal. And this chart, I love the way this chart looks. Like honestly, maybe I'm not really sure what's going on, why they're so, because that's a pretty decent difference in the way the chart, the price action looks and everything for Nero coins. So I'm not really sure, man. I think they're different coins. When I look at it on spot, I get a prompt saying careful as there's multiple coins with the same ticker. Gotcha. Okay, so that makes perfect sense. So I'm gonna go with your word on this, and I'm gonna look at the MEXC chart. Okay, you know, I'll look at the MEXC chart, and you know what? Just for the hell of it, while we're looking at Nero, and since you know, since JumpX is going to be shutting down anyways, you know, why not just see what we do here with a little... Why not just see what we do here with a little 800X, right? Why not just see what we do here? Okay. Why not? I almost want to, well, you know what? I almost want, oh my, look at that. I almost want, look, on the 5 minute though, I think we're going up. We're going to do it. We're going to go along with it. Who cares? Who cares, right? Who cares? We'll see what happens. We'll come back and check on it here in just a second. We'll come look at it here in just a minute and we'll see what happens with it. Possibly toast or possibly not. I'll be honest, I liked the way the Binance chart looked better than this, bro. I think I like the way the Binance chart looked better than this. But then again, until we throw some lines up in this thing, we don't really know what's going on. And we're on the hourly, so let's just kind of, you know, we'll just kind of see what's going on. You know, on the hourly, it seems like it's moving kind of quick too. But since we're below the LSMA, you know, we're going to be looking at this. We're slightly below the LSMA. We might, you know, we might see it go to the downside. It's likely. It's likely to see it go to the downside. You know, the downside move on this does come down and test this previous range right here pretty nicely. And let's see about the top side action. Honestly, the top side action right here would line up as well. We've got a couple of little a couple of things here pointing to a little bit of you know, either way it goes, it's going to kind of match up with previous resistance level to test here on the downside, and it's going to match up with resistance on the upside. We would get a third touch there on that resistance line. We got 2 perfect touches right there. And so, you know, we're looking at that. That's at 0.0058. Downside is at 0.004053. And honestly, either way it goes, we're consolidating right now in a descending wedge. And we're below the LSMA, which is the only reason on the hourly being below the LSMA is the only reason really pointing to telling me that we're going to see the downside move possibly take place rather than the upside move in the short term. But that's not always the case. You know, we could see a fake out here for Nero. We could see a fake out pump up to test the LSMA at about 0.0052 and then get rejected and come down and test our target to the downside. So either way it goes, we got a little bit of confluence both ways. We got a back test of resistance in play possibly, or an upside push to test this resistance as well. So Nero right now in a nice little consolidation. You know, 30 minute, we go to the 30 minute, looks the same. Let me go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, it is on a massive uptrend, which is another good indication that we'll see the downwards move take place. But before that's going to happen, we're going to have to get below the LSMA on the 4 hour. Right now, the 4 hour looking decent. You got 2 red candles on the 4 hour right here. That might be all it needs. This might have one more continuation still to the upside. Let me go back and look at where we're at. And see, I don't like this either. This chart doesn't give a lot of price action. And I'm not familiar with this coin, Green Fingers, so you'd have to let me know. I like to see more price history on a chart than this to go by. But look at that. Look at that back test and how that lines up perfectly. Look at that. I'm just going to point this out for you. I'm only going to point it out one time. But the downside target move, right? Remember I said this downside target was what? 0.004053? Let's zoom back out and go back and look at where this lines up, because we have multiple areas of confluence here. Look at this. Boom. Back test that resistance back here. Look at this. Look at where it held support. Broke support. Caught resistance. 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 Got above it. Then you bounced off of it. Held support. Bounced below it. And now look. I think that 0.004053 level is actually pretty significant when you go back and look at previous price history right here. Honestly. And I did this before even zooming out and looking, guys. It just lines up. And that's what happens when you do good TA, right? When you do good TA, things line up and make sense and you make money. And that's what you want to see happen, right? We want to see everybody make money in the crypto market. And if you're here to make money in the crypto market, don't forget to subscribe and, of course, pound that like button. So I think this makes a lot of sense. We're on a nice uptrend, healthy retrace back down to test a significant level of support and resistance in the past. Makes perfect sense before we have a continuation to the upside. Although, you know, we are right on the cusp on the 4 hour. We're right on the cusp of this major transition here. So this has just recently flipped and crossed bullish right here. Okay, that has just recently taken place. Okay, so a back test and then a pump is likely for Nero token. What's going on, Crypto Homes? Welcome. Hey, another familiar name in the chat. Good to see you, Crypto Homes 777. Welcome back, my friend. Welcome back, my friend. Guys, let's take a look at a couple more altcoins real quick. Give me some altcoins. Give me some altcoins. What are you holding right now? What are you looking at? I do know one that I want to look at. We just took a look at Nero token. Thanks to Green Fingers for pointing this one out. Could be a banger coming up. Crypto Homes dropped GFI in the chat. Let's take a look at GFI. I know I want to take a look at SUI, but let's take a look at GFI real quick. Green Fingers said mods on vacay. Green Fingers, maybe you should be a mod, my friend. Actually, you know what, Green Fingers, you've been here for a while. I trust you, my friend. I do. You've been around for a long time. A1 since day one, my friend. I mean, we even played GTA Online together live on stream one night. Right? Right? You were the snowman. Right? Listen. Alright, standard moderator or managing moderator. Listen, you've been around long enough. You've earned the moderator privileges. Alright, so let's just take a look at this. It's on Coinbase. What is going on here? What is going on here? Oh. Okay. Okay, let's see. All right. Hey guys, don't forget, if you haven't yet, answer this poll in the chat too. Let's see where we're at. When will the crypto market explode to new all-time highs? Because who doesn't want to see your altcoin bags hit new all-time highs, right? And we've not even really came close. We've barely even tapped on the previous all-time highs, right? We are well on our way. And, you know, for those that are leaving the race early, they're going to regret it. Because in my opinion, we are just getting started with this bull cycle. Now, answer the poll in the chat. If you haven't yet, tap the like and, of course, hit the subscribe button. But answer the poll in the chat. When do you think the crypto market will actually explode to new all-time highs? When do you think this is going to take place? Will it be Q1 of 2025? Will it be after November of this year? Could it be tomorrow? Or will it be Q2 of 2025? Let me know what you guys think. Answer that poll in the chat one time for me. Let's look at this real quick for Crypto Homes. I appreciate you dropping this coin in the chat for us. We're going to take a look at this real quick. We do have, you know, bad news and good news. Bad news is one of my favorite exchanges by far so far that I have ever used is going to be shutting down. Good news is we have new offers coming in left and right. So we'll see what happens with it. But let's look at this, man. I really do hope. I hope, man. Listen, I hope that I hope that the team behind Fairdesk and JumpX, I hope that they jump on in to creating a new platform, because their user interface, the withdrawal fees, just everything about that exchange was absolutely phenomenal. I had nothing but good things to say about those exchanges, honestly. So a little disappointing that they have shut down, but you know, it is what it is. It looks like to me that GFI coin is actually testing some major support here. We need to hold this. GFI needs to hold this support, in my opinion. I mean, look at where we're at. We are actually testing major support. Long term on the 4 hour here, we're testing major support. This could be the place to get in to GFI. Not financial advice, of course, but if we do not break below, if we don't break this, then absolutely, I mean, we could be getting ready to test this support. And this coin actually is looking very nicely as far as consolidating into a breakout. You know, let me just look a little bit into this, but it looks to me like we are tapping into another breakout for this coin. And it's going to be one hell of a breakout, guys. If this thing manages to sustain the current pattern that it's in, then you are looking at a beautiful run. All right, we're at $2 currently for GFI. My target is pointing to $5.75. $5.75. If we can consolidate into the tip of this, we're closing in, we're squeezing in. All right, there's not much more room to squeeze here in the tip of this downwards trend before we flip bullish, right? So we're waiting to see what's going to happen. Now, we could slip below that white support line down to the green support line there. We have a couple of areas that could be tested there. You know, if we slip down possibly to $1.89, $1.90, right there below that $2 mark before consolidating into the next breakout for this coin. I think that this thing is kind of a slow mover. It looks like it's been on a downwards trend consolidating since about March or April of this year, it looks like. And it's waiting for its next breakout. Crypto Holmes, I appreciate you dropping this one in the chat. I do want to look at SUI. All right, so we're going to look at SUI here. Because I don't know if you guys know, but this thing has been on a massive tear. This absolutely has been insane. Breaching previous highs here. If you got into SUI anywhere down below $1, you are looking fabulous right now. Let me just tell you. Did you get into SUI before it passed $1? Because if you did, even at 75 cents would have been perfect. Perfect. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little more on this one. Let's look at the weekly. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this weekly chart. Would you just look at it? I need to know right now, is this all the price? There's got to be more. I need to know right now, is this it? Is this all the price history we have? Let's go and look at some other charts. I mean, if it is, then we're about to be in price discovery mode. If this is it, I can't remember off the top of my head what this really looked like long term. If there's any other chart, you know, I've had a lot of luck. You know, I've been really good about partnering with exchanges that are, you know, not, you know, like we partnered with BitGet way before BitGet ever got super popular. And, you know, BitGet is also an exchange I'm looking into possibly partnering with. I've partnered with BitGet before. I had nothing but love for BitGet's team. They were great to work with as well. I want to make sure that I partner with an exchange that is going to offer my followers and my subscribers the most rewards and benefits for signing up using my link. You know, I want to make sure that you guys benefit from whatever partnerships that I get. You know, I want to make sure that we all win in crypto. So we need to make sure that, you know, like I'm looking here and I see that, you know, Blowfin's an exchange that is up and coming, in my opinion, as well, that is not as well known. ZoomX, I've partnered with ZoomX before in the past. They're also one to look into, that I might be looking into as well. But BitGet for sure. WeX, I am looking into that as well. Let's see. I think I'm good with this. This chart looks fabulous. I mean, SUI looking good. What's up, Bullish Juice? We got Bullish Juice in the chat. I like it. We got some Bullish Juice in the chat. I like it. So, Bullish Juice said, created by meta creators, SUI is 100 times faster than XRP. Better load up. It's going to be a long ride on SUI. SUI! Listen. Woo-wee! I'm telling you, this looks ridiculous. I mean, this looks ridiculous bullish right here. Look at this weekly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weekly green pumps. Insanity. Bro, this is insane. I mean, we are testing it right now. Okay, big question here for you guys. If you are holding SUI, okay, we got 3 touches now confirmed on this major resistance line on the weekly time frame. Are we going to get rejected here, or are we going to get rejected here? Or is this thing about to blast into price discovery and reach new highs? What is about to happen here? Because this thing is right on the cusp of a major resistance level, and it's up in the air, in my opinion, right now. What's going to happen? I want to zoom in. We've zoomed out. I want to zoom in a little bit on this local price action at this resistance level, because look at this. Look at this. You actually already just broke. You actually just broke the downtrend. You're back testing it already above the LSMA on the hourly. You broke the downtrend already. Look at that. You broke the downtrend. You got a nice channel right there, and you just broke out of it. Back tested the downwards resistance for a retest of that. You're bouncing off the LSMA. We might be ready to fly, guys. We might be ready to fly. I mean, the weekly looks like it needs a retrace. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like we need a retrace on the weekly, but short term, this looks bullish as hell. You broke the downtrend. Downtrend. I mean, the only thing is the weekly. The weekly, it's like, man, is this up only season? I mean, are we really in October? Is this October? Because, I mean, be real with me, guys. Does it not look like the weekly needs a retrace? A healthy little retrace, right? I mean, we've been up only for over a month. Sweet. Or are we gonna need to just break the ceiling and just blast on through? I like the way it looks. I like the way it looks. It could be up only season right now. $0.55? This is crazy. You got in at 55 cents? Bro, this is wild. Look, I'm telling you. Right now, money maker right here. I do feel like when you see something that looks so just up only like this, it's good to be a little cautious. But we've got a beautiful hourly uptrend that's been just blasting since the beginning of September. I mean, we've had a couple of fake outs, bear traps, right? A couple of bear traps. We had one here. We had one here. But other than that, it's maintained this uptrend. I mean, there's really nothing else you can do. Once it goes into price discovery, it's up in the air from there. The one thing we can do is kind of get an idea based off of this resistance. I mean, we can go below there, or and maintain that, or we can connect here. I'm gonna connect there because I like it better right there. Honestly, we can even come on down. We can make it connect. We can extend on out here. We got a nice looking pattern going on for SUI. A nice looking pattern. I like it right there. So we got an idea. Okay, so if we hold this uptrend that it's been holding, we're looking at the resistance for our next target, right? So that's where we're going to look at. And we're going to be looking somewhere up in this area here, going into the end of the month there. So if we pull up the 4 hour, it still looks good. It still looks good. Nice touches, nice touches. Right there, looking good still. Support looks good. If we maintain the uptrend, we should retest the resistance, correct? We've got to break above. We're going to have to break above this level. And once if we can break above that high, that current high of about $2.30, we got a current high of about $2.30. If we can break above that high, then we're looking at the potential of running up to a possibly going into the end of the month, closing in on Halloween. I mean, we're looking at closing in on possibly somewhere up here near 480, possibly. We're looking at possibly from 2 to 480. We're at 220. We're looking at going from possibly that would be a continuation of this pattern, which means we would have to hold. We would have to hold the support there. Otherwise, it's very likely that we could come on down. We don't have to come this far down, but it's likely that if we don't hold, we'll come down and retest. Previous support right there, right here, right here. Ranging resistance right here. So if we break this uptrend, it could get a little bearish. But if we break this resistance, price discovery will take over, and I think we will run, and we could double in price from the current price of SUI right now. We're in a bull market, guys. This is not a bear market. We got to keep ourselves reminded of this. We are in a bull market. This is a crypto bull market. This is not a crypto bear market, in my opinion. Never financial advice, but I think that we're looking okay. I think we're looking okay as far as things go currently. Again, we've already broken the short-term downtrend, right? You broke the short-term downtrend on this bounce. Broke it beautifully.
I've seen a lot of change. I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's got sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. Long game, no shame, baby game. You triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space, coming closer.
And honestly, short term,
Everything just fade away, 'cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict 'cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
all right, guys. Hey, listen, it's been a good stream. We'll get into some more altcoins tonight. I'm gonna see if I still have time. If I do have time, I'm gonna go see if I can go spend a little bit of time with my daughter before she goes leaves her Mimi's and goes back to her mom's. But we lost on that one. That's okay.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess. What's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns Who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it.
That's right. It's only worth it if you work for it. Big Get BGB token. Listen, let's take a look real quick before I gotta go. Big Get's another exchange that I really did enjoy working with. I think Big Get's very promising. I'm just still kind of assessing what I'm going to do next. You know, what my next move is going to be. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look, I ain't even got to tell you what that looks like, right? If you know much, you know what this looks like. And this looks good. It's trying to push real hard right here. The LSMA trying to hold it back, but I mean it's pushing pretty hard right here. We got a couple options, right? We got the short-term possibility of a run up to about $1.10, but you've got a little bit longer-term possibility here. A little bit more longer-term possibility there. $1.12. Retrace would definitely get you to this $1.05, $1.06. So a little bit of short-term action right there. Zooming out on this, it looks to be ready to try and break a threshold right here. So you broke this weekly downtrend, right? Beautiful break of that weekly downtrend. Look at that. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Massive wick right there on the weekly. I'm not sure, but I do know that you broke this this massive weekly downtrend. You broke that. You're above the weekly LSMA, bouncing off the indicator, holding strong. Are we ready to pump? Break that $1.50 range, and it's go time for BGB token. Break that weekly range, and it is go time. Great stream, guys. I appreciate everybody that did engage with me tonight, or today, excuse me. I'm used to going live at night. But anyways, I do appreciate all of you guys that came into the stream and engaged with us today and talked a little bit of crypto with us today. We'll get more in depth tonight on the stream. Green Fingers, much love. I do appreciate you, my brother, for being here as always. And we'll get a little more in depth tonight. Later on tonight, we'll do another stream. But I'm looking into collaborating with a couple of people as well. We'll be looking into collaborating with, let me just go ahead and pull him up real quick. I've been talking to Tame the Ark. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but so I don't know if you guys are familiar, but I've been looking into collaborating with Tame the Ark. We've been talking, and we might be getting a stream planned for Tuesday. So be looking forward to that, and be looking forward to this channel blowing the hell up, guys, because we are going nowhere. All right, we are going nowhere. We are absolutely sticking around. But yeah, we're looking into possibly collaborating here with Tame the Ark. I'll be talking with him about that, and we'll see what we can do. But yeah, he's got 54,000 subscribers. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Very good stuff. So really looking forward to it. And I'm looking forward to the future. So we'll see what the future holds. Overall, I think that we got a good thing going, guys. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next stream. Cheers, my friends. I might be drinking something besides coffee tonight, so stay tuned. Hit that notification bell and join Discord. Links in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a